A case of urgency. A minor injury or a seemingly harmless infection can turn into a life-threatening situation. Sepsis. The major problem? Sepsis is often recognized or diagnosed too late. Every 3 seconds, someone somewhere in the world dies from sepsis. In Germany alone, more than 60,000 people die from sepsis each year, more than 300,000 in the United States, and more than 8 million worldwide each year. Most people don't realize sepsis is one of the 10 most common causes of death. Sepsis occurs when bacteria, viruses, or fungi infect the body and proliferate. The human immune system reacts in a concerted effort against these pathogens, culminating in a body-wide inflammatory response. But this can easily spiral out of control and turn deadly. Driven by the cytokine storm, uncontrolled inflammation can kill cells and damage vital organs. This often leads to multiple organ failure, causing nearly half of all deaths in the intensive care unit for which no therapies exist. This is why scientists and physicians are desperately looking for new therapeutic options. CytoSorb is a powerful, innovative immunotherapy designed to control deadly inflammation and prevent or treat organ failure. CytoSorb cartridges contain special beads that act like tiny sponges to capture cytokines and other toxins that drive inflammation. The goal is to control inflammation, redirect the immune response, and stabilize the patient. CytoSorb has helped doctors regain control of their patients. Because CytoSorb can be easily connected to standard dialysis and heart-lung machines found in the hospital, personnel and equipment costs are minimal. Also, CytoSorb can be applied very quickly. This is critical here because every minute counts. During the first International CytoSorb user meeting in Brussels, physicians from 20 countries exchanged their experiences with CytoSorb. Basic tenor of all presentations was the clinical efficacy and safety of the procedure. Great attention was paid to the lecture by Professor Dr. John Kellum of the University of Pittsburgh in the United States. With his research, he has been one of the first to investigate the effectiveness of the CytoSorb therapy.
I think that this particular technology is unique. One of its unique properties is that it is more biocompatible than typical sorbents. I think another feature that makes it unique is that the exterior of the polymer, of the bead, has pores, and the fact that you can exclude things on the basis of size from getting into the sorbent makes it a unique device, and the combination of biocompatibility and size occlusion make it different from other forms of sorbent technology that are available today.
In the Netherlands, CytoSorb is also being used successfully. One of the pioneers in the field of extracorporeal blood purification is the renowned researcher and physician Dr. Albert Grotendorst.
Effectiveness of CytoSorb is based on removal the mediators of sepsis that cause renal failure, liver failure, ARDS, etc. So it's not a symptomatic therapy like we used to do. No, we try to treat the cause of the ARDS and of the renal failure. And the cause is, as we know in the meantime, the interaction between numerous mediators of sepsis. And they all have, fortunately, one thing in common: you can remove them by CytoSorb. So CytoSorb is much more a causative therapy than many therapies we've been giving in the past.
The president of the Sepsis Congress, Professor Zsolt Molnár from Hungary, pointed out the diversity of the patients and the need for individualized treatments.
My view on the future of CytoSorb therapy is that it will, I think, go towards a so-called individualized treatment. So what I mean is that it is not a treatment for 24 hours or for 48 hours, because some patients will need it for 12 hours, the others may need it for 72 hours. And to determine which patient will benefit the most, now this is the task of future research.
In addition to the setup of the International CytoSorb Registry at the Center for Clinical Studies in Jena, Germany, several investigators initiated trials that are being conducted on German and international university hospitals. They aim to prove the effectiveness in numerous indications. Thereby, the therapy develops continuously, from experience-based medicine towards evidence-based medicine.
Currently, we're in 20 countries around the world in more than 200 centers, as well as a total number of more than 5,000 human treatments overall. We really are expanding at a very fast rate, and we're just beginning. So I think we'll see a lot more activity from not just this region, but actually all over the world.